the Associate Professor of English of the Juthala Sanskrit College, Meholiya, West Champaran. Today I am going to teach the students of Upshastri first year a prose piece prescribed for them known as The Rule of the Road. This prose piece has been written by A.G. Gardiner. A.G. Gardiner is widely known as a great modern essayist and prose writer. He was also the editor of the Daily News paper, and he was a great modern news writer. In his writings, he has emphasized on the use of simple words and simple writing in English. He has used in his writings very simple words and simple sentences. For which he became very famous in the modern writers, in the modern age. He used in his writings humorous style of expression, and never he used in his writings sad and sardonic style of expression anywhere. In this prose piece, The Rule of the Road, he has emphasized on the rule of the road. About the rule of the road, he has thrown light on so many problems of the rule of the road, which our men and women of our society do not follow in lack of proper knowledge and in lack of good ideas about the rule of the road. Also, he has thrown light about the rule of the road, about which he has written in a prose piece all about a dog previously, in which he has emphasized about the use of the rule of the road according to the time and the situation, according to the demand of time and according to the demand of situation. Rules should not be followed and used blindly at any stage and anywhere. But rules should be followed and used and utilized reasonably, not blindly. In this way, in this chapter, he has described about the use of the rule of the road and the liberty of the law. What is liberty in a modern state? It seems that very few people have the correct idea about it. After the communist revolution, an old lady walking down a Petrograd Street insisted that since the revolution had given liberty to the people, she had the right and liberty to go along the middle of the road and not along the pavements on the sides meant for the pedestrian traffic, meaning thereby liberty should not be used in a bad sense. Liberty and your knowledge and duty should be followed reasonably. After gaining liberty, you are not free to use anything and not you are allowed to go in any way. But you have to decide it, what is good and what is bad and what is right and what is wrong. Liberty has not given you power and not have given you liberal idea of your mind to go in any way or to follow the path of any illegal things and to take up the step of illegal works. In this way, she had a wrong idea of individual liberty. She did not consider that if everybody had his own way on the public road, what would be the result then there? The result would be a complete breakdown of law and order. Great confusion and road accident would take place there. Means at the time of walking on the road, the public should follow the rule of the road. Always they should try to keep the right side of their way. Otherwise, accident would take place and you may break down the law and order of the law and of society. She failed to realize that liberty on the public road was not absolute liberty for the individual, but a composite liberty to be enjoyed by the whole community, and such as demanded the spirit of adjustment and accommodation. Means for anything, for any department, for any work in our country, in any country, rules are made, law has been performed, and you have to follow that law. But in the absence of the knowledge of law and order, and in lack of the good idea about any law, the public commit a mistake and at last they become a victim of jail and disorder, maintenance of law, and they are victimized a punishment. Liberty of the individual has two sides. There are some activities of life which the individual has in absolute liberty to do as he likes. For example, he has his own choice of the school to which his son will go, or of the kind of dish that he wants to eat, or of the religion which he will profess. Means in so many works and duties you are free to do according to your own will and desire, as certain examples has been given here. But it does not mean that you are free to do anything according to your own idea and will. But you have to follow and you have to go under law. You have to do any work what the law provides. You are free to obey any religion, you are, but it does not mean that you compel others to consider according to your will any religious activity or any religious function or any religion. He is not bound by any rule of restriction, but there are other activities of life in which the individual's actions have a great bearing upon the lives of others. That is, there are the action in which the entire society or community is interested. In these activities, he has no right to cause inconvenience and discomfort to others by any exercise of his own liberty. By liberty, you are not made free,